In this video, I'll show you how to become affiliate for Booking to make money. All you need to do is to go on Google and type Booking affiliate program. Here you can scroll down a little bit and you can see hotel affiliate program by Booking. So you go to this page. You can read all the information here. What is the booking.com affiliate partner program? You can find all the information here. And when you decide, just type the name, last name, email address, password, country, press the next step. They ask you about your website, how you want to promote, and then when you become affiliate for Booking, just press sign in. And then after you sign in, just press products. Just scroll down, you have many options to promote Booking. You can see here coming soon also cashback campaign, miles and points campaign coming soon. So you have many options to choose from. Here you can see widgets, affiliate links, banners. So if you need banners, you can take from here for your website. You can see deals finder. You can see inspiring search box. Also you can see this search box here. So you just customize however you want and then copy this HTML code and insert in your website. So people coming to your website looking for a holiday here, they find different hotels. When they press on, they redirect to Booking, and if they buy, you earn commission. You can see here car rental widget, map widget, so you have many options. If you want only the link, you can press on affiliate links. Then you can choose hotel page, which country. So for example, you want to promote a hotel from China, city doesn't matter, dates, show a list of links, and now you have the all hotels from China. All this is your affiliate links. For example, let's take this link, paste here. So people if coming to this link, they are redirect to this hotel from China. If they booking, you receive commission. It's that easy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.